Hi, Paul Jenny with Eastern Datacom. For most schools, their intercom paging system is outdated and not functioning properly. It may have been installed 20, 30, sometimes even 50 years ago, being fixed and repaired by different vendors over many school administrations. However, these systems are critical for sending out emergency notifications during lockdowns and other emergency events. Join us for our webinar that will show you how to make smart investments in your current intercom paging system so it's working like new without the cost of a complete rip and replace. We'll show you how to tie into other technologies to improve not only emergency notifications, but day-to-day communications as well. Finally, we'll go over when you should stick with traditional analog systems and when an IP solution makes sense. This webinar will be geared towards facilities managers, principals, superintendents, business administrators, IT managers, and anyone responsible for school safety. I look forward to seeing you then. Thanks.